Full report on the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group. Introduction. The PLAN People's Liberation Army Navy Fujian aircraft carrier battle group marks a significant milestone in China's naval ambitions and capabilities. Officially designated as the Type 003 aircraft carrier, Fujian is not only the largest and most advanced aircraft carrier in the Chinese fleet but also a pivotal component of China's strategy to enhance its maritime power projection. This report provides a comprehensive overview of the Fujian aircraft carrier, its technological advancements, operational capabilities, and strategic implications. Overview of the Fujian aircraft carrier. 1. Launch and design. Launched on June 17, 2022 at the Jiangnan shipyard in Shanghai, the Fujian represents a leap forward in naval technology for China. It features a modern design that incorporates advanced capabilities, making it a formidable asset in the Indo-Pacific region. The carrier measures approximately 320 meters in length and has a displacement of around 80,000 tons, placing it among the largest aircraft carriers in the world. 2. Technological innovations. Catapult launch system. Fujian is the first Chinese aircraft carrier to utilize an electromagnetic catapult launch system, EMALS, akin to that used by the U.S. Navy. This system enables faster and more efficient aircraft launches compared to the ski jump ramp used on previous Chinese carriers. Advanced flight deck. The design of the flight deck allows for simultaneous operations of multiple aircraft, enhancing the carrier's operational tempo and flexibility. Combat systems. The Fujian is equipped with modern radar and defense systems, enhancing its ability to detect and engage threats, ensuring a higher level of survivability in conflict scenarios. 3. Aircraft capabilities. The carrier is expected to operate a range of aircraft, including the J-15 fighter jet, which is designed for carrier operations. Future integration of advanced aircraft such as the J-20 stealth fighter may further enhance its combat capabilities. The capacity to carry up to 40 to 50 aircraft significantly boosts the operational reach of the carrier group. Operational integration in sea trials. 1. Sea trials. Following its launch, the Fujian underwent extensive sea trials to assess its operational capabilities. These trials included testing the carrier's propulsion systems, navigation, and flight operations. Initial reports indicated successful launches and recoveries of aircraft during these trials, demonstrating the effectiveness of the EMALS system. 2. Integration with naval forces. The PLAN is actively working to integrate the Fujian with other naval assets, including destroyers, frigates, and submarines, forming a cohesive carrier battle group capable of multi-domain operations. This integration is crucial for enhancing the operational effectiveness of the carrier group, enabling coordinated air, surface, and subsurface operations. 3. Strategic deployment. The Fujian is expected to play a vital role in China's naval exercises and patrol missions in the South China Sea and around Taiwan. Its deployment is part of China's broader strategy to assert its maritime claims and counter perceived threats from regional adversaries. Strategic implications. 1. Regional power dynamics. The introduction of the Fujian into the PLAN significantly alters the balance of naval power in the Indo-Pacific. It enhances China's ability to project power beyond its shores, complicating the strategic calculations of neighboring countries and the United States. The carrier's capabilities may embolden China to take a more assertive stance in territorial disputes, particularly in the South China Sea. 2. Military modernization. The development of the Fujian is part of China's broader military modernization efforts, which aim to transform the PLA into a world-class military by mid-century. This modernization includes investments in advanced technologies, expanding naval capabilities, and enhancing joint operational capabilities with other branches of the military. 3. International reactions. The commissioning of the Fujian is likely to provoke mixed reactions from the international community. While some nations may view it as a legitimate enhancement of China's defense capabilities, others may perceive it as a threat to regional stability. The United States and its allies may respond by increasing their naval presence in the region, conducting freedom of navigation operations, and strengthening alliances with regional partners. Conclusion: the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group represents a significant advancement in China's naval capabilities and a critical component of its strategy to enhance maritime power. With its advanced technologies, increased aircraft capacity, and strategic implications, the Fujian is poised to play a vital role in shaping the dynamics of power in the Indo-Pacific region. As China continues to develop and operationalize this carrier, global military observers will closely monitor its deployment and integration into the broader naval strategy of the PLA. The PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group stands as a notable development in China's maritime military capabilities. One of the most counterintuitive aspects of its evolution is the rapid pace at which China has advanced its naval technology, particularly in the realm of aircraft carriers, which historically have been associated with long-term military investments and gradual enhancements. Counterintuitive information. 1. Speed of development. Traditionally, the development of an aircraft carrier can take decades, involving extensive research trials and the integration of advanced technologies. China's ability to design, construct, and launch the Fujian within just a few years of starting its construction in 2015 is unprecedented. This rapid development challenges conventional assumptions about the time required for a nation to develop such complex military assets. 2. Technological leap. The introduction of electromagnetic catapults EMALS on the Fujian represents a significant technological leap for the PLAN, which previously utilized a ski jump system for launching aircraft. This shift to a more sophisticated launch system is counterintuitive given China's earlier reliance on older technologies, and suggests a strategic pivot to modernize its naval capabilities at an accelerated pace. 3. Strategic intent. Many analysts have historically viewed aircraft carriers primarily as power projection tools. However, the operational philosophy surrounding the Fujian suggests a more nuanced approach, where it is not just about asserting dominance but also about enabling a flexible response to various regional threats. This dual purpose challenges traditional views of carrier groups solely as symbols of naval power. 4. Integration with other forces. The PLAN's strategy for integrating the Fujian with other naval assets, including destroyers and submarines, indicates a sophisticated understanding of modern naval warfare. This holistic approach counters the notion that aircraft carriers operate in isolation, instead emphasizing the need for multi-dimensional naval operations. 5. Global military dynamics. While the Fujian's capabilities are aimed at asserting China's claims in contested waters, its development also serves as a counterbalance to U.S. naval dominance in the Indo-Pacific. This realization that other nations may need to adapt their strategies in response to China's naval advancements further complicates the traditional understanding of military power dynamics in the region. 6. Domestic and international reactions. The rapid advancements in the PLAN's capabilities often evoke mixed reactions. While some view it as a legitimate development of national defense, others see it as a threat to regional stability. This dichotomy reveals the complexities of international relations, where advancements in military technology can be perceived differently based on political contexts and national interests. 7. Economic implications. The investment in the Fujian and its associated technologies is substantial. Yet the economic rationale behind such military expenditures can be counterintuitive. The expectation that a stronger navy will directly translate to economic benefits through enhanced security and maritime trade routes does not always hold, especially in a globalized economy where military might can sometimes lead to increased tensions and conflicts. In conclusion, the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group not only signifies China's growing naval capabilities but also highlights several counterintuitive aspects of its development and strategic intent. The rapid technological advancements, the integration of modern systems, and the complex implications for international relations all contribute to a re-evaluation of how naval power is understood in the current geopolitical landscape. The PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group represents a pivotal development in China's naval strategy and capabilities. While many reports and analyses focus on its technological advancements and strategic implications, several important aspects are often overlooked. Here are some significant points that merit deeper exploration. 1. Integration with emerging technologies. While the Fujian's electromagnetic catapult system, similar to the U.S. Navy's EMALS, is frequently highlighted, the broader integration of emerging technologies within the carrier group often receives less attention. This includes advancements in artificial intelligence (AI) for operational decision-making, autonomous systems for unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs), and cyber warfare capabilities. The ability to leverage these technologies can dramatically enhance the operational effectiveness of the carrier group, ensuring that it not only competes with but could potentially surpass existing naval forces in the region. Significance. Understanding the integration of these technologies is crucial as it reflects a shift in naval warfare paradigms. Future engagements may depend less on sheer numbers and more on the sophistication of technology and data-driven decision-making. 2. Logistical and support infrastructure. The operational readiness of the Fujian aircraft carrier group is highly dependent on its logistical and support infrastructure, which is often glossed over in discussions. This includes the capability to sustain long-range operations, the logistics for fuel, munitions, and maintenance, and the establishment of forward operating bases that could support carrier operations. Significance. A robust logistical framework is essential for any military force to project power effectively. An underdeveloped support structure could limit the operational range and effectiveness of the Fujian, highlighting the need for a comprehensive understanding of China's naval logistics strategy. 3. Personnel training and development. Another critical aspect is the training and development of personnel to operate advanced systems aboard the Fujian. The shift to a more technologically sophisticated fleet requires not just better equipment but also a workforce skilled in operating and maintaining these systems. This involves changes in training regimens, simulations, and live exercises that are often not discussed in detail. Significance. The success of the Fujian carrier group will depend not only on the hardware but also on the human element. Effective training programs could be a force multiplier, enabling the plan to maximize its technological investments. 4. Strategic messaging and regional implications. The deployment of the Fujian carrier group serves as a significant strategic message to regional neighbors and global powers. While many focus on its military capabilities, the psychological impact of its presence in contested waters like the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait can be profound. This carrier group acts as a tool of influence, potentially altering the calculus of regional adversaries. Significance. The implications of such strategic messaging are often understated. The ability to project power and influence can deter adversaries and reassure allies, reshaping the geopolitical landscape in ways that extend beyond mere military engagement. 5. Cybersecurity and information warfare. In an age where information dominance is as crucial as military might, the cybersecurity posture of the Fujian and its supporting systems is a vital but often overlooked aspect. Protecting sensitive data, ensuring secure communications, and countering adversarial cyber threats are essential for maintaining operational security. Significance. As military engagements increasingly involve cyber dimensions, the ability to secure networks and systems will determine the effectiveness of traditional military capabilities. A breach could compromise the entire operational integrity of the carrier group. 6. Environmental and sustainability considerations. The environmental impact of operating a large naval fleet is becoming an increasingly relevant topic. The Fujian's operations could have implications for maritime environments, especially concerning pollution and resource usage. As global awareness of environmental issues rises, how China addresses these challenges could affect its international standing and operational sustainability. Significance: addressing environmental concerns is not merely about compliance but can also be a soft power strategy. A commitment to sustainable practices could enhance China's image internationally while also ensuring the long-term viability of its naval operations. 7. Interoperability with other forces. While the plan is developing its capabilities, interoperability with other branches of the Chinese military and allied forces remains a key challenge. The effectiveness of the Fujian carrier group will depend on how well it can operate alongside other elements of China's military, including ground forces, air power, and missile systems. Significance: effective joint operations are critical in modern warfare. Understanding how the PLA Navy plans to integrate the Fujian with other military assets will provide insights into China's overall military strategy and its ability to respond to complex threats. 8. Historical context and future trajectories. Finally, the historical context of China's naval development and its aspirations for becoming a global maritime power is essential in understanding the significance of the Fujian carrier group. The evolution of China's naval doctrine influenced by historical conflicts and current geopolitical realities shapes its ambitions and strategies. Significance: recognizing the historical trajectory allows analysts to better predict future developments in China's naval strategy and its potential responses to both regional and global challenges. Understanding these patterns can offer valuable insights into future naval engagements and the potential for conflict or cooperation. Conclusion: the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group is not just a technological marvel but a complex component of a broader strategic vision for China. To fully grasp its significance, it is essential to look beyond the surface-level capabilities and understand the multifaceted implications of its integration, operational support, and strategic messaging. This deeper analysis reveals how the Fujian could reshape naval dynamics in the Indo-Pacific and beyond, influencing not just military outcomes but also geopolitical relationships and international norms. Based on the provided summary regarding the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group, here are 4 valuable points for in-depth analysis and discussion. 1. Technological advancements and their implications. The Fujian aircraft carrier is equipped with advanced electromagnetic catapults EMALS, marking a significant leap in China's naval technology. This system allows for more efficient aircraft launches compared to traditional ski jump designs. Analyzing the implications of this technology involves understanding how it enhances operational capabilities, increases sortie rates, and broadens the types of aircraft that can be launched, thereby improving the overall effectiveness of the carrier group. The shift to EMALS also reflects a broader trend in naval warfare where technology plays a crucial role in enhancing a nation's military prowess. 2. Strategic role in regional power dynamics. The Fujian carrier group is a critical component of China's strategy to assert its influence in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly in contested areas such as the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. Discussing its strategic role involves examining how the carrier's operations could impact regional security dynamics, provoke responses from neighboring countries, and alter the balance of power in the area. This includes considering the potential for increased military confrontations, the implications for U.S. naval presence, and how neighboring nations may respond in terms of their own military advancements or alliances. 3. Integration with other naval assets. The operational integration of the Fujian with other naval assets such as destroyers and submarines is essential for forming a cohesive carrier battle group. Analyzing this integration involves exploring the challenges and benefits of coordinating various platforms and how this affects combat readiness and operational effectiveness. It also highlights the importance of joint training exercises and interoperability among different branches of the military, which can significantly enhance the overall capabilities of the People's Liberation Army Navy plan. 4. Impact on global military observations and reactions. As the Fujian carrier enters operational service, it will attract considerable attention from global military observers. This point can be explored by discussing how other nations perceive the development of China's naval capabilities and the implications for global naval strategies. The response from the United States, its allies, and other regional powers will shape future military investments and alignments. This could lead to an arms race in naval capabilities and a re-evaluation of defense strategies across the Indo-Pacific region. Conclusion: the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group represents a pivotal development in China's naval modernization efforts. Analyzing the technological advancements, strategic implications, integration with other naval assets, and global reactions provides a comprehensive understanding of the carrier's role in shaping future maritime security dynamics. These discussions are critical for military analysts, policymakers, and international relations scholars as they navigate the complexities of modern naval warfare and geopolitical tensions in the Indo-Pacific region. 3 historical cases of aircraft carrier battle groups. 1. The Battle of Midway, June 4 to 7, 1942. The Battle of Midway is one of the most significant naval battles in history, marking a turning point in the Pacific theater during World War II. The United States Navy, having broken Japanese codes, was aware of Japan's plans to attack Midway Atoll. The U.S. fleet, comprising 3 aircraft carriers, USS Enterprise, USS Hornet, and USS Yorktown, was able to launch a surprise attack on the Japanese fleet, which included 4 aircraft carriers, Akagi, Kagasaryu, and Hiryu. The battle showcased the effectiveness of aircraft carriers as the primary naval striking force, as U.S. aircraft successfully sank all 4 Japanese carriers. This decisive victory shifted the balance of naval power in the Pacific in favor of the United States and set the stage for future operations against Japan. 2. The Falklands War, April-June 1982. The Falklands War between the United Kingdom and Argentina highlighted the role of aircraft carriers in modern warfare. After Argentina invaded the Falkland Islands, the UK dispatched a naval task force to reclaim them. Central to this task force was the aircraft carrier HMS Invincible along with the smaller HMS Hermes. These carriers operated Harrier jump jets, which were crucial for air superiority and ground attack missions during the conflict. The British fleet faced numerous challenges, including attacks from Argentine Navy aircraft and missile strikes. However, the presence of the carriers allowed the UK to project power over a significant distance, ultimately leading to the successful recapture of the Falklands. This war demonstrated the strategic importance of aircraft carriers in projecting military power and conducting aerial operations far from home shores. 3. The Gulf War, August 1990 to February 1991. The Gulf War, particularly during Operation Desert Storm, showcased the extensive use of aircraft carrier battle groups in modern warfare. The U.S. Navy deployed multiple aircraft carriers to the Persian Gulf, including USS Theodore Roosevelt, USS America, and USS John F. Kennedy. These carriers launched thousands of sorties against Iraqi targets, providing crucial air support for ground forces and enforcing the no-fly zone. The carriers served as floating air bases, enabling rapid and sustained air operations over Iraq without the need for land-based facilities. The success of the carrier strike groups during the Gulf War reinforced the strategic value of aircraft carriers in achieving air dominance and supporting ground operations in contemporary conflicts. These historical cases illustrate the evolution and enduring significance of aircraft carriers and their battle groups in naval warfare, shaping strategies and outcomes in critical moments of military conflict. Future outlook for the PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group. The PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group represents a significant leap in China's naval capabilities and is expected to play a crucial role in the future of regional and global maritime dynamics. As we look ahead, several predictions can be made regarding the operational deployment, technological advancements, and strategic implications of the Fujian carrier group. 1. Enhanced operational capabilities. By 2025, The Fujian is likely to achieve full operational capability, enabling it to participate in a variety of complex naval operations. The integration of advanced electromagnetic catapult systems will enhance its ability to launch and recover a diverse range of aircraft, including drones and advanced fighter jets. This will not only increase the number of sorties that can be conducted but will also improve the overall effectiveness of the carrier group in combat scenarios. 2. Expansion of carrier battle group composition. The Fujian will likely lead to the establishment of a more robust carrier battle group, including advanced destroyers, submarines, and support vessels. This evolution is expected to mirror the operational structures of established naval powers like the United States. The plan may invest in additional support ships equipped with advanced radar missile defense systems and logistical capabilities to sustain longer deployments and enhance operational flexibility. 3. Increased presence in strategic waters. As regional tensions continue, particularly concerning Taiwan and the South China Sea, the Fujian Battle Group is poised to become a key instrument of China's maritime strategy. We can anticipate increased deployments to assert China's territorial claims and enhance its presence in contested waters. The carrier's ability to project power will be crucial in potential flashpoints where it may serve as a deterrent against perceived threats. 4. Focus on asymmetric warfare and cyber capabilities. In response to the evolving nature of modern warfare, the plan is likely to place greater emphasis on asymmetric warfare capabilities, including cyber operations and electronic warfare. The integration of cyber capabilities into the Fujian's operational framework may provide the Chinese Navy with the ability to disrupt enemy communications and navigation systems, giving it a strategic advantage in conflicts. 5. International cooperation and presence. China may also seek to leverage the Fujian and its battle group for increased participation in international naval exercises and joint operations with allied or partner nations. This could serve dual purposes, enhancing the plan's interoperability with other navies and showcasing China's growing naval prowess on the world stage. As maritime security becomes a global concern, the Fujian may play a role in humanitarian missions or anti-piracy operations, further solidifying China's status as a responsible maritime power. 6. Continuous technological advancements. The naval arms race in the Indo-Pacific region will likely spur continued technological innovations within the plan. Future iterations of aircraft carriers and naval assets could incorporate even more advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence for decision-making and autonomous systems for reconnaissance and combat. The emphasis will be on maintaining technological parity or superiority over regional competitors. 7. Strategic deterrence and diplomacy. The presence of the Fujian and its carrier group will likely serve as a critical component of China's strategic deterrent posture. The ability to deploy a carrier strike group effectively will enhance China's bargaining power in diplomatic engagements, particularly with nations in the Asia-Pacific region. The carrier's operational flexibility may allow China to project influence and reinforce its claims in maritime disputes. 8. Environmental and sustainability considerations. As global awareness of environmental issues grows, future operations of the plan, including the Fujian, may incorporate sustainability considerations. This could manifest as investments in greener technologies such as hybrid propulsion systems for ships, to reduce the environmental footprint of naval operations. Conclusion. The PLAN Fujian aircraft carrier battle group is set to transform China's naval capabilities and influence in the Indo-Pacific region. As it evolves, it will likely become a cornerstone of China's maritime strategy, enhancing its power projection, operational flexibility, and strategic deterrence capabilities. The future will see the Fujian not only asserting China's maritime claims but also potentially reshaping the dynamics of naval power in the 21st century. As such developments unfold, global military observers will closely monitor the implications for international security and regional stability.